Alright guys, rebuttal to the earlier issues with the cheap Chinese T5 counterbearing retainer plate. This is Paul's kit from 5speeds.com. Large spacer, which is solid, and then you have the peelable shims, and you just use a small razor blade to cut that up. So yeah, let's do a trial fit real quick to show you the difference. Again, a couple days pause as I ordered from their website. Again, one-handed, so bear with me here. Boom, boom. I haven't even cleaned it, so if it looks like it has a little bit of oil slash Cosmoline on it, then that's what it is. I'll clean it here in a moment, because it takes really 10 to 20 times before you're going to have it dialed in perfect. And again, this is just going to be hand tight. Very exciting. But you can already see, depending on the picture quality here, is that all four of these are countersunk very nicely. All under the edge. See that? Nice, 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 nice. Fifth gear coming on. Boom. Oh shoot, look at that, doesn't rub. Oh wow, amazing. So there you go. You get what you pay for. Buy American, buy once, buy for life. Talk to you guys later.